It's wonderful to have you here, and I know it's your first time in Pakistan. कैसा लगा मेरा मुल्क?
Very nice. कल ही आया मैं, and I think a country is what the people are all about, and जितना यहाँ के लोगों के बारे में सुना था और हॉस्पिटैलिटी के बारे में सुना था, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा कल एक दिन भी नहीं हुआ मुझे आए, और गॉट मोर देन व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्टेड, एंड आई थिंक पीपल आर ग्रेट, लवली हियर, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई एम हियर फॉर कारा, एंड आई गॉट रीजन, आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू कम हियर, and I'm here.
Did you always want to be an actor? Was it something that happened by fluke?
My father always wanted me to be an actor, and I was happy, on being the other side. Till one day I was, Kukuji, my first film's director, came up one day and told my father that I'm starting a film and I want your son. And I was just taken aback. I was 19 and I said, I'm enjoying life. I don't want to get into it. I don't even know if I can do it. I didn't even know that I was prepared. And they practically forced me into it. And within 20 days, I started shooting. And the attitude in my first film was also कि अगर चल गई तो ठीक है, नहीं चली तो I'll go back to what I actually wanted to do. And वो film चल गई फिर. तो here I am.
Mashallah. But initially you were an action hero. हर फिल्म के अंदर डिशम and all of that really. मुझे तो बड़ा डर भी लगता था. I'm not मुझे aggressive किस्म के मर्द बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. But then came in हम दिल दे चुके सनम, and it completely changed your image, completely. How was that experience, and how was working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
Very nice. I think Sanjay is a very, very sensitive director, and he's proved himself in the last couple of films. So, हम दिल दे चुके सनम आई, उससे पहले प्यार तो होना ही था.
प्यार तो होना ही था.
So those two films worked in a very big way, and both were not action films. So I guess I was lucky to have the right kind of scripts with the right kind of directors, and they worked.
एक तुम्हारी फिल्म मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and that is इश्क. I thought it was such a funny film. I kept laughing and laughing. डरी थी कि कहीं हार्ट अटैक ही ना हो जाए, and फिर मैं तुम्हें सू भी ना कर सकती कि तुम्हारी वजह से मुझे हार्ट अटैक हुआ है. And इश्क, you had Kajol acting with you. Then प्यार तो होना ही था. तो ये इश्क की इब्तिदा इश्क से हुई कि इससे पहले ही हो चुकी थी?
पहले ही हो चुकी थी.
अच्छा. I have to know, how did you meet her first?
No, I just met her on the sets, and we just got along very well. And,
अब देखो ना, मुझे भी ड्राइंग रूम में मिले हो ना मेरे, तो अब आगे nobody has to know what happened and how happened, and Kajol will definitely never find out, darling. I promise you that. I know how to protect people's privacy. I mean, I know. I don't want to be a homebreaker. And then I'm in Pakistan. She's in India. I mean, she'll be cool with it, no?
you have to ask her.
No, but I tell you the problem with our men, really. And when I say our men, I mean Indians and Pakistani men. I mean the men of this region, really. एक तो वो क्या जो macho बनने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं, their masculinity gets challenged every time. Every guy. I thought कि मैं इसको thinking कि when I kiss this frog, he'll turn into a prince. But every prince I ever kissed turned back into a frog. Men here are so insecure when it comes to women, really. You're not the type, are you?
What do you mean by insecure?
मतलब मर्द यहाँ पे insecure होते हैं, खासतौर पे अपनी औरतों के मामले में. They tend to be possessive. They want to protect their women. They don't have that faith in their women.
I don't think that's true. That's not with men. That's with generally with it's just the human nature that you want something, you get it, you want to own it until you have it.
But वो नहीं कहते कि जी when you love somebody you should set them free, and if the love is true they'll always come back to you.
बहुत कुछ कहते हैं, पहले तो लव का मतलब ही समझ में आ जाए लोगों को, और हम लोगों को तो
समझाओ ना मुझे लव का मतलब.
मैं खुद समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
आता अभी तक लव सिर्फ एक लफ्ज लगता है मुझको. I mean you've been showing so much of it in your films for all your heroines. और तुम्हारी heroines में क्या बात है जो मुझ में ना हो? हाँ, मैं भी पाकिस्तान की हीरोइन हूँ, नंबर 1. वैसे ये जोड़ी काफ़ी मैच करेगी. हाँ, सुपरस्टार, हाय इंडियन सुपरस्टार, विद पाकिस्तान्स मोस्ट sought after young lady, really. How do you feel about India-Pakistan relationship, really? The political relationship.
I know nothing about politics, and I'm not even interested much in politics. I think for me, relationship between India and Pakistan is all about people. It's all about us, and which is really fine. I mean, you meet people all over the world, and you don't see a lot of difference between Indians and Pakistanis. I mean, when you're in London or anywhere, and you're treated the same way, and so I think relationship depends not on politics, it depends on us.
द पीपल, हमारे दिल एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हैं, हमने कभी कोई फ़र्क महसूस नहीं किया. यू नो, फॉर मी, I relate to you as much as I would relate to any, or probably more than I would relate to any actor from my film industry.